Hello guys, it's Jail here. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Perplexity AI Pages. So to do this, it's pretty simple. As you can see here, we're Perplexity AI. So here we have our home, discover, library, and sign in. So you can sign in right here or you can choose not to. So if you're gonna sign in, you'll be able to have to access the Pro Search, which will give more powerful searches and ideal longer questions for complex questions. So here you can create your account with Google or anything else. So let's just try to use one here. So here we can ask anything. It's just like ChatGPT. We can choose like any AI we want. So here Perplexity is one. So let's say World War II tanks used by Germany. Something like this. So here it just works the same as ChatGPT, except here we have sources, we have answers, and we also have the pictures. We can view more right here. We can also search the videos, generate images, and many much more. And you can also do ask follow-up questions so that it will be very useful. So most used tank. So we just send it up right there. So here it's gonna be the most used tank. It's gonna show up right here, and then there's gonna be related articles. It's just like Google but using AI, and it has backup and sources for this. It's pretty useful. You can go with Pro so that it will do more powerful searches and ideal longer questions for you guys. So there you go guys. If this was helpful for you guys, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.